Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're comparing 3Commas and Pionex to help you pick the best crypto trading bot for your needs. Whether you're balancing customization or simplicity, which one comes out on top? Let's break it down. 3Commas connects to multiple major exchanges via API and brings a powerhouse of features like advanced DCA bots, grid bots, smart trading terminals, trading view integration, copy trading, and comprehensive portfolio management. Plans start around $29 to $99 a month, depending on features and automation access. It's ideal for experienced traders who need full control and deep strategy customization. In contrast, Pionex is an all-in-one exchange with 16 free built-in bots, including grid, DCA, arbitrage, and rebalancing tools. You automate trading directly within the platform with no subscription, only a competitive 0.05% trading fee per trade. It's beginner-friendly, great on mobile, and ideal if you want simple automation without the complexity. Users say, "I lost $22 million due to an API leak from 3Commas, a sobering warning about security." Meanwhile, Pionex users highlight how free, easy bots make automation accessible to everyone, even if choices are more basic. So which is better? If you're an advanced trader seeking flexibility, multi-exchange support, and full control, 3Commas is legit and feature-packed, but comes with a cost and steeper learning curve. If you're newer to trading or want a hassle-free solution with no fees, Pionex is a smart, economical choice. Your ideal pick depends on how deep you want to go and how much you're willing to pay. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.